Hey fam, I hope you're doing great. So recently I've been seeing a lot of tweets on Twitter, other social media platforms that the meme season is over, the rotation in the meme coins is over, it's time to sell your meme coins, and a lot of FUD around the whole meme coin ecosystem. So let's find out if the whole meme coin season is over or not. So there are two ways to look at this whole meme coins scenario. A lot of people are saying that there is less volume right now and there are a lot of rug pulls and a lot of scams, but that's not totally true. Okay, so why am I saying that is because recently there was a meme coin that was launched by the name of Gummy, and it was launched by a few crypto influencers who have a lot of name in the space, and whereas other coins are not performing too well, this coin outperformed a lot of meme coins. As you can see, it was sitting around 2 to 3 million market cap when it launched, and its all-time high was around 230 million. So if you do the math, that's an easy 100x. Now you might be thinking this is a influencer coin, a lot of influencers might have pumped it, this and that. Okay, well, fine. Now let's look at another coin, which is MEMECOINS, and it was launched yesterday. I guess it's been just 24 hours that this coin has been launched, and it was also sitting somewhere around 2 million, 3 million market cap when it launched, and its all-time high within 24 hours is around 230 million market cap. Okay, so again, a 100x coin which dropped yesterday. Within 24 hours, this coin did 100x. So if the meme coin season is over, then what would you call this? So as I said, there are two ways to look at this. The one side is that there is a lot of potential. Even if Solana is dropping right now, still there is a lot of coins that keep popping where you could 2x, 3x, 4x, 10x or even 100x your initial investment. Now I see where this whole meme coin season over narrative is coming from. Okay, now let's look at something different from this. Now a lot of old meme coins which have some good established communities are suffering right now in this market. Okay, so for example, let's look at Ven, which is a crazy project, has great community, has some awesome utilities, and if we look at their market cap right now, it is somewhere around 150 million, and its all-time high was around 470 million. As I said, these old meme coins, now again, old doesn't mean like it's been a year or 2 years or 3 years, it's just been like a few months. Okay, these meme coins which are already established, these meme coins are only suffering right now. Okay, now let's look at another one, which is Shark Cat, which as you can see right now is sitting around 60 million market cap, and its all-time high was around 380 million market cap. Now just look at the chart of Shark Cat and you will understand what a lot of knowledgeable influencers are saying. The meme coin season is over. There is very less volume right now in the meme coins and this and that and whatnot. Okay, so let me give you one more example, which is Chonky. As you can see here, Chonky is sitting around 15 million market cap and its all-time high is around 52 million market cap. So if you check all those established projects, they are suffering right now. Okay, now this is simply because Solana is having a tough time right now, and the market conditions also are not so good because of the war and all the things that you guys know. That's one of the reason why most of the Solana meme coins which are already established, which are old and have great communities, they are having massive dumps. But on the other hand, the new coins that are popping in the market right now, they do have some potential of doing 2x, 3x, 5x or 10x. Okay, but again, the volume right now that we are seeing is not too crazy. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Like all the new coins that are popping up right now are making some crazy gains, but again, there's no guarantee that they will survive or not, because right now they are very early. They are in their initial stages where the communities get built. We understand if the devs are good or not. And on the other hand, the well-established projects on Solana or any other chain are struggling right now just because the market conditions are not good. Okay, so there are two ways to trade right now. The degen method would be just get into the new coins if you like the community, if you like the narrative, the meme narrative, and if it goes up, it goes up. If it doesn't, it doesn't. And the safe strategy to get into this meme coins would be to wait for a little bit more correction in Solana. So these Solana meme coins will have their bottoms, and once we see a rally in Bitcoin and Solana, of course these meme coins that are well established will start running again and will have some crazy gains. Okay, so that would be the safest strategy. Now if you want to find a few good projects that have some good communities and in the bull run they can easily give you 2x, 5x, 10x, 20x or even 100x. Okay, so I have already made a video on that. I will put the link in the description. So yeah, that's it guys. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about? Is the meme coin season over, or we are just having a good decent correction and getting ready for the bull market? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace.